Hi everyone, it's Magda from Foyr Neo, and today I'm going to show you how to change dimension units and access settings. When you open your project, go to the top left corner of your screen and click on File. From here you can set dimensions. You can choose between feet, inches, meters, or millimeters. You can also download your floor plan from here. So if we click on Download Floor Plan, you can crop the floor plan to be exported and you can download it from here. If we go back to File, we can also access settings. Wall thickness, it's always set as a default, but you can change it here so you can put your own dimensions. And from here you can also switch off wall snapping, auto hide wall, object snapping, auto baseboards, default dimensions, 2D rulers, room titles, guidelines which are visible in 3D mode, and you can also set mode for 3D mode from optimized through normal to heavy. Hope that was helpful. Happy designing!